place to stop. Trucks were in and out and up and down the interstate. Yeah, the Cassiar. But as you can see, we have mountains back there. There's mountains all around, but we're in the forest. I'll put the coordinates for this in the description below if you have to stop here. Forest, forest, mountains. Yep, the clouds are starting to move in. Helicopters in and out too, y'all. But it's a nice gravel area, and we like parking on gravel. The Cassiar is getting paved. Look how smooth that surface is. I'm excited for y'all. Anybody traveling on the Cassiar, you're gonna love it. Going to love it. And look, we're about to get on it. Oh my goodness. That feels dang good.
It's the smoothest road we've been on in 300 miles.
Exactly.
At least that part of it is.
Yep.
I think it runs out down here. No? Guess we're staying on it for a little bit.
Works for me. Yay! Well, that's a long road ahead, huh? But it's smooth. I like it.
Exhaust brake, put on tow haul package, let it gear down.
We're about to run up a hill. Maybe. We'll see.
See any bumps on that bridge? Another one of them wooden bridges?
I don't know. Is that a wooden bridge? Most of the bridges on the Cassiar, I think, were wood.
There's a sign.
Yep, it's wood. Oh, that dropped the phone. Wow.
Well, that was pretty smooth.
Yeah. Camera just jumped a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, so how much is the fuel here?
It's 186 a liter.
And that's right here at the corner of 37 and 37A.
Yep. Cheapest I've seen in a while.
Perfect.
Yep. Well, I can see 130 again. That's not going to be till we get on into Alberta.
Alberta? What's the cheapest?
Yeah, 135 a liter.
Okay. You gonna fill up your cans too?
Yeah, I'm filling up my can here. I don't know where it'd be any cheaper. Under $2 a liter.
Great.
For here, yeah, for down here.
This is where we got our fuel, and Bobby will tell me in a few minutes how much the total price was. Okay, so how much was the fuel?
186 a liter.
And how much did you put in?
$200 worth.
Whoosh. So a swipe of $200 at one setting.
And that was, yeah.
Took a total of 5 minutes to spend 200 bucks.
Well, maybe 10 minutes.
But it'll get us how far down the road?
300 we had about 350 miles.
Hey, that's good.
More than that, because once we drop the trailer, it's better, way better fuel miles.
Right.
So we'll get 400 out of this tank full.
Awesome.
Miles.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Wow, what a drive. I love it. On our way to Stewert,
British Columbia.
BC. Yes. Yes, yes. It's a gorgeous place down here. Sorry about the bugs. We did clean the windshield. It surely is.
Another one keep filming. There's another one right above it here.
Yeah, I see it.
Slow. Got a tree. That's okay. Wow.
Y'all, this is where we're gonna have our picnic. What a view we have. I don't know if you can see. I'll have to move my camera around. There's a waterfall right behind that one tree in the middle. How gorgeous is that? Yeah, y'all see that waterfall? Right in the middle of the screen. There's another one right over here to the right. See, it comes down a long ways. Wow. What a gorgeous spot. What gorgeous views we have had today. Amazing. We made it. Yay! We made it to Stewert, BC. And the first thing we have to do is fill up with water because I want to take a shower. Woohoo! Gotta wash my hair. So the dump station is on Railroad Street and 5th Avenue, right here at the corner. And there's a service station right over there. Sweet. So it's free dumping and free water. They have garbage. Woohoo! We love it when we see garbage.